Stop smashing your limiter. It causes pumping, or worse, it distorts your mix. But here's the fix. Use a clipper before the limiter. But why does it work? Let's look at what a limiter and a clipper do to the audio signal. First, you have the normal signal. A transparent limiter simply pushes down your signal whenever the threshold is hit. It mostly keeps the signal shape, but pushing down volume creates pumping. The kick drum hits, the whole song gets quieter. Therefore, a limiter should not reduce the signal by more than 3 to 4 decibel. Now let's look at the clipper. It chops the peak off. The waveform is altered, and this adds harmonics. This makes it sound thick. It adds density. It feels louder to our ears. But be careful. Do not cut too much, otherwise it will distort. Try approximately 2 decibel. So much for theory. Let's check this out with an actual song. First, just with the limiter. It has about 5 decibel gain reduction, and you hear some distortion.
Feel the beat, oh yeah. Dancing all night, everywhere, oh yeah. Move your feet, don't stop, let it drop, let it drop, let it drop, let it pop.
I hope you heard the distortion on your system, and here is a word of caution. For demonstration purposes, I push this sound super loud. This is typically too loud for a song, but I wanted to demonstrate the technique. So how do we get rid of the distortion? Let's take a clipper. I use KClip KClip. Put it before the limiter. Set output to -0.1 decibel. Let's look at the soften knob. When you have 0%, it's hard clipping. In mastering, soft clipping is usually more favorable. So let's go with 12%. The threshold knob sets where the clipper kicks in. Drop off 2 decibel max. We are adding those harmonics. The tracks gets dense. Then check your limiter. Since I barely changed the output level of the clipper, we can leave the limiter as before. But you see, the big spikes are gone. The limiter needs to work less. This means there is less pump. The quiet sound stay loud. Aim for 3 to 4 decibels reduction. This is the way how to get loud masters, full of harmonics. No weird pumping effects, no distortion. Let's give it a listen.
Feel